So here we have a, not a job I like to do, but it has to be done once in a while. And that is because I think because we have the washer hooked into the same line as the sink, I think some of the soap backs up. It's kind of flat here and it clogs. So about once a year, every 2 years, we need to snake it out. I think it's mainly soap that's dried on. So we have this little device here, a little snake. So what you do is about 1 foot at a time, or 8 inches, you can loosen it up, tighten it up. It's the coil, metal coil, and then turn it and gradually push in. And you can go out and push in, and that way it's cleaning it out. Now in this case, we already went into the max, so we went through the clog, I'm quite sure. So now I'm going to push it up this way, tighten it, turn it and pull it out. So now I'm doing the reverse. Tighten it up, turn it, pull it out. So it's good to go in and out, turning it, so you kind of clean the whole thing out. Now the other problem is because of the whole, you're venting basically from the septic system, so it doesn't smell good. So I got a door open, and we're going to leave it open. As soon as I plug this up, then the air will stop venting. So later on I'll describe how the septic system is in the ground. Maybe I should just describe it now. That needs to vent. So what it does, it comes back through the pipes. This goes to the septic system right here. It comes up, the air is going up here, goes all the way across, and then over on the other side there's a pipe that goes up through the first floor into the attic and out the roof. That's how the septic system vents. But since I got this opened up now, it's coming here instead of going out. So it doesn't smell good. And as soon as we're done with this, we're going to close that up good and snug it off with a little cap. Now points out another thing. It's very important to have these cleanouts in certain locations. Because if this cleanout wasn't here, I couldn't clean this out. And that'd be a big problem. So, and I have to admit, initially, I didn't have one here. So at some point in time, it got clogged. I had to cut the pipe and put one in. So I try to do it now right off the bat. I try to have cleanouts wherever I need them. For example, right here is a cleanout if you need to clean from here to the septic tank, which is probably not likely, but it could happen. So cleanouts are very important, and the flow coming out of your septic tank is very important too. It needs to be able to breathe. Fumes need to come out. Okay, so I'm going to finish this up and hopefully it'll drain.